A lot of people fear because they have not done it before, and we always encourage our startups to try and push their limits in order for them to be able to move forward. So at in5, we support three different sectors: tech, design, and media. Most of the programs that we provide or the services that we provide is purely focusing on entrepreneurs and putting entrepreneurs first. So we looked at, and when we first started, we've looked at a lot of local entrepreneurs are trying to build innovative and creative companies, but they lack the infrastructure. So what we did at in5 is first build that around them by providing them the services that we have, like co-working, so they can work with like-minded people, licensing, so we subsidize their licenses in order for them to get the support, and of course the community around it is very, very important. And then we took a next step in supporting them by providing them educational component to support them when it comes to them being educated. And of course we have the investment and market access opportunities to our startups, which we always try to add as we grow. I think it's very important in order for us to build a dynamic ecosystem is to be able to support each other, is to educate the investors, the startups, the government in how things are going and understanding what are the challenges in the market. And this itself will lead to having a very diverse and mature ecosystem. Because most of the time when you speak to investors, they also need education, the startups need education, the government. So working together in order for us to tackle the real challenges that entrepreneurs are facing is very, very important, working collectively.
We have been part of the in5 community since 2021. Our Dubai division has grown drastically, and we've been very honestly privileged to be part of this community. With a shared aim, honestly, to enable community, democratize the podcasting space, we've been able to increase the production value of our podcasts through the high-tech, recording and production capabilities currently at in5 Media. And that has honestly raised the production value for creators and for the community.
We have been member of in5 since the last year. We have been privileged to be a part of the bootcamp that happened the first time by in5, and we have learned in multiple areas when it comes to legal, fundraising, marketing, growth hacking, but also we have amazing advisors who can help us in any topic we need. And the most importantly actually is the community that we have, the fellow startups, that we can communicate with them on a daily basis. And I see one of the benefits that we got from in5 is how fast we were able to get our business up and running.